In this video, we will understand ecosystem. Everything that surrounds us in environment. It include both living and non-living components. Interaction between these components form an ecosystem. An ecosystem is a complex community of living organisms, biotic factors interacting with their non-living environment, abiotic factors, within a specific area. These interactions create a dynamic and interconnected system where energy and nutrients flow through various components. In an ecosystem, energy and matter are continuously exchanged between living and non-living components. An ecosystem can be both natural or man-made. Some examples of natural ecosystems are grassland, forest, sea, river, desert, mountain, pond, lake, etc. Human activities, including deforestation, pollution, habitat destruction, overexploitation of resources, and climate change, have significant impacts on ecosystems. Conservation efforts aim to protect and restore ecosystems, preserve biodiversity, and mitigate the negative effects of human activities on the environment. Components of ecosystem. There are two components of an ecosystem. A. Abiotic component and B. Biotic component. All the non-living components such as air, water, land, light, temperature, etc. form the abiotic components. Another abiotic factor is edaphic factors, includes soil, pH, minerals, etc. B. Biotic components. All the living components such as plants, animals, bacteria, fungi, etc. form the biotic components. Organisms present in the ecosystem can be further categorized into producers, consumers, and decomposers in accordance with the manner in which they obtain their nutrition from the environment. Producers are organisms that are capable of producing their own food without the help of any other organism. They are also called autotrophs. They synthesize their food from inorganic substance by a process called photosynthesis. Autotrophs are the green plants, phytoplankton, and blue-green algae. Consumers are the organisms that do not produce food, but depend directly or indirectly on producers for their food needs. These are called heterotrophs. Consumers can be further classified into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and parasites. Herbivores, plant eaters, example, goat, deer. Carnivore, flesh eaters, example, tiger, crocodile. Omnivores, eat both plants and animals, example, humans. Parasites, live on the body of host and take food from lice, cascute. Decomposer are the organisms that feed on dead and decaying matter and break down the complex organic substances into the simple inorganic substances. For example, bacteria and fungi. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.